In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of product description on product pages in Shopify theme. And for the purpose of this example, I changed the color of product description text to red. So at first, log into Shopify admin account and then select Online Store. Then locate theme and click on Customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on Home page and then select Products. Then click on Default Product. Then on the left, under Template, click on Product Information. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Custom CSS. We'll be adding the custom CSS rule right in here, but at first let me go back to my website and get the class selected for product description. Let's right-click on it, then select Inspect. We'll target the following class selectors: product, _description, and RTE. Perfect, so let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule: type period, product, _description, period, RTE. Open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between them, press enter. On the next line, type color, colon, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Now let me get the hex code for the red color. Let's pick this one. Make sure to copy the hex code, including the hashtag. Then go back to the editor, and let's paste it right in here. Now let's save the changes. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the product page. And as you can notice, the product description is now red color, and this change will be reflected on other product pages right over here. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.